Welcome home to this highly sought after Stratford Glen Woodbridge Community. This lovely home is located in a cul-de-sac, beautiful, spacious, and unique floor plan, a split level single family home. As you enter the home, you step into the spacious and open living room. On the upper level, you'll find a kitchen as well as the separate dining area, which overlooks the living room. Down the hall, you'll find 3 bedrooms as well as a full bath. The primary bedroom features a full bath. Downstairs, you'll find an additional living room, full bathroom, and another room, which is perfect for a potential home office or an in-law suite. The fully fenced backyard boasts of spacious deck, perfect for entertainment, brand new roof,